Okay, question number 27. The following interactions proposed between a proton and a pion. The quark content of the pion is U bar D and the quark content of the K minus is U bar S. Okay, three conservation rules are considered. There are three rules being given. Which conservation rules are violated? Read the question carefully. It is violated. Which of them cannot be applied? Okay, which of them are violated? Okay, so towards it. Now you see, this is a baryon. So this is a baryon. Baryon number for it is +1. This is a pion. Pion baryon number, it's not a baryon, so therefore it is 0 here. And this is also not a baryon, 0. And this is also not a baryon, 0. So baryon number is clearly violated. So therefore baryon number is clearly violated. So this is one of them. So this is violated. Charge. If you take the charge over here, this has a charge of +1. This has a charge of -1. This has a charge of -1. This has a charge of +1 over here. So which means what? 0. Okay, 0 equal to 0. So this means this conservation law can be applied. So this is not a right one. Then the next one is the strangeness. So you have a strangeness. Okay, let us write down the equation to make it more clearer. So proton is given by UUD, quark content, plus pi minus, what is pi minus? U bar D gives rise to K minus is U bar S plus pi plus. What is pi plus? Pi plus is not given. So this is pi minus is U bar D, pi plus should be UD bar. UD bar over here. See, there is a strange quark here. There is no strange quark over here. So therefore this is also violated. So this is also violated. So the answer should be 1 and 3. Okay. So answer is B. Let us move on to the next.